like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine.
Okay, I was trying to find the best way to film, but it's a new camcorder and everything is backwards on the display. So I'm sorry if it's like moving around a lot, but I'm I'm in my kitchen and the sun is so bright. I feel like it's making me cross-eyed. Yeah, we might move to a different spot if it gets too crazy, but I just bought this new camcorder and I don't know, it feels different to like document things on here. I had tried to do some vlogging and things before from my iPhone and just had all these mics and wanted to mess with the audio, wanted to mess with editing and make it look really cool, and I just feel like it was too much. So yeah, I wanted to document this time. I am 29 weeks pregnant today with our daughter, and it's our first one. And I feel like I just want her to know, or just like have a view into what this time looks like for us, you know? I feel like so much is going on, and it's been really hard. It's been exciting and really magical because she's moving around. I can see her moving around. I can feel her moving around. But just felt like during this time I wanted to document how this transition is going. Yeah, and just, I don't know, let her see a little behind the scenes, because we have about 3 more months till she's here, and then I'd love to start documenting her more. I won't be putting her online, but just for us, you know, but I might continue to vlog through that experience. We'll see. I'm getting so blinded by the sun, but it feels really good. So maybe I'll close my eyes. I've been inspired by Jenny Bourne on YouTube. If you don't follow her and you like the sort of relatable style, it's been really refreshing to just watch her videos. I feel like she is someone who just kind of captures the moment as it is and just openly shares about things, and so I really like that format. And I want to try it out and see how it feels, because I don't really like spending a lot of time editing and doing all that. So anyway, this might be a really big shot of my face. It's on a tiny screen right now, so we'll see what it looks like. And anyway, thanks for watching. This video really is just me capturing some footage around our house and just testing out this new camcorder. So it won't always be just like random shots, but maybe that's what it is. Maybe that's what it'll be. Okay, love you. Bye.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two
so pretty. So show you later when it opens a little more. And then I need to get some art on the walls. We did paint it. You probably can't tell, but you can kind of tell right here. This is the old color. This is the new color. We just wanted it to feel a little warmer in here. And then I hung this green light. Some cool pottery. Oh, that was me hitting the dishwasher. Some pottery that we made. This is actually from Andrew's mom. Ooh, little pottery ASMR. This is our view in our backyard. Our window is super messy, so I don't even think I'll be able to see anything out there. Oh my god, it zoomed into the mess. But it's a very, very warm day today. Yeah, feels like summer. Okay, here we go. This is pretty crazy. I feel like I'm back in 2010. I'm not really showing you much because we're just looking at the corner of this very messy room. These are some lanterns that we're using for our baby shower. We kind of expand and have this little tassel here. So I got those from Etsy. That'll be fun. It's a painting I'm working on, and our birth partner book. Oh, there's Ruby. Bam. It's getting big, so we'll see how clear this comes through. Oh, she's kicking too. But yeah, I just wanted to test it out. It's a very messy room. Oh my gosh, yeah. Look at this flannel shirt we got. I thrifted a bunch of clothes. Maybe I'll do a little walkthrough. Look at this cute little hoodie we got. Didn't realize I was just going to be covering baby stuff, but yeah, it's a cute little hoodie. Andrew picked that out. Oh, here's Millie. Say hi, Millie. This is a painting that I worked on. I'm honestly not sure if it's done yet, but Andrew likes it, and then we set up a little altar space. It is cool. I just can't quite figure out if it's finished, you know? Sometimes that's hard. But we have just different things. I made this. It's a little incense holder. Hi, Millie. What you doing? This has been in our house for months. I want to say since Thanksgiving. Look at this picture that Andrew made. Ignore the gross stuff underneath. Isn't this cool? It's huge. But yeah, I think I want to do like paint a still life portrait of this. I just love all the flowers. We are outside. Need to really cut the grass, but I'm just kind of curious how it did outside. It's obviously like pretty strong light right now. We'll see. We have these little yellow flowers that grow all over our yard. I don't even know if you're going to be able to see them. There we go. They're edible, which is cool. Okay. Bye.